Dynojet dynamometer gives you the state-of-the-art technology, durability, and accuracy that you need. Dynojet's advanced engineering delivers the precise horsepower measurements a technician needs to make quick and accurate evaluations of engine performance and drivetrain problems. Few key pre-checks of the motorcycle entering your shop to be dyno can prevent any injuries or stumbling blocks during the ensuing runs. First up, verify this tire is in good shape. This tire is going to be spinning on our drum, so make sure there's no weather checking to it. It's inflated to the proper PSI, and there's no debris or nails stuck in it that may fly out during the run. Also, brake pads. We're not going to be using these brake pads to slow the bike down, but we just don't want them dragging on the rotor, which would impact horsepower runs trying to slow this wheel down. Also, verify there's adequate oil in the engine, adequate coolant in the radiator. Also make sure any clamps on those coolant hoses are tight and in good shape, so we're not going to have coolant spraying out at us when this bike starts to get warm. On this other side, chain and belt tension or condition. So make sure this is at adequate spec, meeting the manufacturer recommendation for chain tightness. Also make sure it's nice and lubed and in good condition so it's not going to walk off the sprocket during a high-speed dyno run as well. And then overall, just make sure this bike is in adequate operating condition. So that axle bolt that we were just talking about for proper chain tension, make sure that's torqued properly. And then overall, the bike, you don't have loose fork clamps or anything else that would impact as you drive up into the wheel clamp, if it's gonna buckle or move or something's gonna come loose on you. Verify this bike's in good condition to get you ready to load this on the dyno, perform your runs, perform your tuning, and then get it back into the customer's hands, happily satisfied with a set of dyno graphs, an improved bike if you're installing some performance electronics, keeping your shop happy and making money as well.